Dogs have been our companions for thousands of years, but have you ever wondered about their reproductive strategy in nature? Today we're exploring whether dogs are considered case-selected species, a concept from ecological theory that helps us understand how different animals approach reproduction and survival. First, let's briefly explain what case selection means. In ecology, the RK selection theory describes two broad categories of reproductive strategies. R-selected species produce many offspring with little parental care, while K-selected species have fewer offspring, but invest heavily in their care and survival. K-selected species typically share several characteristics. They tend to have longer lifespans, reach sexual maturity later, produce fewer offspring, and provide extensive parental care. These species often live in stable environments and compete for limited resources. So how do dogs compare to these characteristics? While domesticated dogs have been shaped by human breeding practices, we'll consider their wild ancestors and relatives like wolves for a more natural perspective. Dogs and their wild counterparts do exhibit some case-selected traits. They have relatively long lifespans, especially for their size, often living 10 to 13 years or more. They also provide significant parental care, with mothers nursing and protecting their young for several weeks. However, dogs don't perfectly fit the case-selected model. They reach sexual maturity fairly quickly, usually within their first year. They can also produce relatively large litters, with some breeds having up to 12 puppies at once. This is more frequent and numerous than typical case-selected species. In conclusion, dogs fall somewhere between R and K selection, showing a mix of characteristics from both strategies. This intermediate position likely contributed to their success both in the wild and as domesticated animals. It allows them to adapt to various environments and has made them versatile companions to humans across different cultures and lifestyles. Understanding dogs' reproductive strategy gives us insight into their natural history and helps explain their remarkable adaptability. It's a reminder of the complex balance in nature and how species evolve to best survive in their environments.